In this video, I'll show you how to add a PayPal buy button to a website. First, sign in to your PayPal business account and open your account dashboard. From the menu, go to Pay and Get Paid, then select PayPal buttons or Checkout if that's the option available in your account. Next, click Create New Button or Create PayPal Button. Choose Buy Now as the button type, then enter the product name, price, currency, and any optional settings such as shipping, tax, or inventory tracking if they're available for your account. After that, review the button settings and click Create Button. PayPal will automatically generate an HTML code snippet for your buy button. Copy the entire code and keep it ready for the next step. This code is what you'll add to your website so customers can purchase your product using PayPal. Now, open your website editor or content management system and navigate to the page where you want the button to appear. Paste the PayPal button code into the HTML section of the page, then save and publish your changes. Once the page is live, open it in a browser and test the button to make sure it redirects customers to the PayPal checkout page and displays the correct product information. Finally, return to your PayPal account whenever you need to edit the button, update pricing, or create additional buy buttons for other products. Regularly testing your checkout process helps ensure your customers always have a smooth and secure payment experience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a PayPal buy button to a website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.